Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing gear and the first capture run. Use a phone or 360 camera with GPS and timestamps enabled. This ensures location accuracy. Open the Google Street View app, sign in, and create a new project. Walk or drive the planned route, keeping shots continuous with about 1/2 overlap so images stitch cleanly. Once done, verify captures in the app preview. You want clear horizons and consistent exposure to avoid stitching errors later. Once your raw images are uploaded, you process and stitch them into panoramas. Use Street View's built-in stitching or a specialized app to match GPS timestamps and align frames. This is why consistent overlap matters. Make exposure and white balance corrections and discard any blurry photos. If seams persist, manually align key points in the stitcher and re-render equirectangular JPGs at recommended resolution. Make sure each panorama has accurate metadata so Google can place it on the map correctly. You finish by publishing and linking your panoramas in Google Street View. Upload the equirectangular images with embedded GPS metadata, then verify placement and add directional links between each point so viewers can navigate smoothly. Make sure orientations and north heading are correct. If things go wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restitch the affected panorama after removing suspect frames, then confirm GPS timestamps and device clock accuracy. Inconsistent timestamps often cause misplacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.